Morning folks, welcome back aboard Potemkin. Just have a bit of an hand warmer here. So we've got here, it's only 9 o'clock Sunday morning. Not many people about, they're all in bed still this time of year. So we're underway with the kitchen bits and got a pal coming and we're going to board this ceiling, rest of this ceiling, get that done today. That's the plan. And then can finish getting it all painted, make all the sides up and what have you, and we'll be underway. So once Simon comes, we're having them on. The first thing I'm doing before Simon gets here is we'll clean all these snots off, hanging down and what have you, so the boards go up cleanly. So we'll get on with that. think that's clean as a whistle. A couple of bits stuck in bead and book glue, but I think I've got them now. So we can get some paint on this. So these will be done today. And maybe get a couple of coats on, depending what drying's like. But we've got air coming through alright, but it's not a warm day as such. So we'll just have to crack on, see what happens.
I think this is a very good
That one. Try another method. Big roller and a big bucket. See what mess we can make.
biological thing.
So we've got the coat on. One coat on, it's drying, but it's not going to dry enough today to get another coat on, but pleased with that. A good day that. Got them up. Thanks Simon for helping us with that, much appreciated. And you can see that, and then it goes over there. That's got the top coat on up here, and that's the white clean, like kitchen paint. So I'll just have a tidy up now, sweep round, probably about 2 o'clock. Sun seems to be going down a bit, although we're about 4:30 when it's getting dark. Actually, we've got a couple of hours left. I'll get a sweep out, start shift this stuff out now. I've virtually done with all the bits of board that are in here, so we clear that out. And have a free run, then I'll have to leave the workbench there while I get everything else sorted I'm working on. And back to the workshop next, get the kitchen made up. I've got the magic corners arrived for the corner unit. Get that made up and get that in. Next we'll fetch it all up, try it in, make sure everything's fine, and then I'll get it painted up. So it's coming on now, but I'm it now, this boat, and I get on it this year. By hopefully, you know, late summer or whenever, but I'm on it this year definitely. So that's it. So thanks everybody, thanks for liking, thanks for your comments and all that, and I do appreciate it if you send me comments and put me right on things, because I do make mistakes, you know. So anyway, so I'll see you all soon. Ta-ra.